Good morning, and now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Friday the 28th of January. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North Atsira, South Atsira, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Trafalgar, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fairall, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800, high Fitzroy 1036, expected Biscay 1039 by 1800 Friday. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Atsira, northwesterly, backing southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. South Atsira, east 40s. Northwesterly, backing southwesterly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 5 for a time. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. West 40s, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne. Northwesterly 4 or 5, backing southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later, except in Tyne. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Dogger, northwest 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 5 to 7, rain later, good. Fisher, German Bight, northwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Fisher, backing southwest 5 to 7, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Humber, Thames, northwest backing southwest 4 to 6, fair, good. Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, variable 2 to 4, becoming west or southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Occasional drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, variable 3 in north, easterly 4 to 6 in south. Occasional drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, easterly or northeasterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8 in far southeast. Thundery showers in southwest, moderate or good. South Fitzroy, northeasterly 5 to 7, fair, good. North Fitzroy, variable 4, drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, variable 4, becoming southwest 4 to 6. Drizzle, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Irish Sea, northwest backing southwest 4 to 6, fair, good. Shannon, southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later, drizzle, moderate or poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, southwest 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in Hebrides, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Bailey, southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in south, veering northwesterly 5 to 7 later in north. Rain, moderate or poor. Fairall, southwest 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Showers, then rain, good, occasionally poor. Faroes, southeast Iceland, westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 at times. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. And now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300 on the 27th of January. Tyree Automatic, west 2, 8 miles, 1031, rising slowly. Stornoway, southwest by west 3, 11 miles, 1028, rising slowly. Lerwick, west by south 2, 24 miles, 1025, rising slowly. Wick Automatic, southwest by west 2, recent drizzle, 11 miles, 1026, rising slowly. Aberdeen, east-northeast 1, recent rain, 22 miles, 1029, rising slowly. Lucas, west by north 1, 35 miles, 1030, rising more slowly. Boomer, west-southwest 3, 19 miles, 1030, rising more slowly. Bridlington, northwest by west 3, 1031, rising more slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, northwest 5, 11 miles, 1032. St Catherine's Point automatic, north by east 1, 1034, now falling. Jersey north by east 2, missed, 3 miles, 1035, rising more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, north by west 3, 1035. Scilly automatic, east by south 2, 16 miles, 1036, rising more slowly. Milford Haven, southwest by west 1, 8 miles, 1035, rising more slowly. Aberporth, southwest 2, more than 38 miles, 1035, rising slowly. Valley, northwest by west 2, 13 miles, 1034, rising slowly. Liverpool Crosby, west-northwest 3, 8 miles, 1033, rising. Valencia, north-northeast 1, 6 miles, 1034, rising more slowly. Ronalds Way, northwest by west 3, 16 miles, 1033, rising slowly. Malin Head, west 3, 6 miles, 1032, rising slowly. Machrihanish automatic, west-northwest 4, 9 miles, 1032, rising more slowly. Here is the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours and issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Thursday the 27th of January. The general situation: a ridge of high pressure will become confined to the south, as strengthening southwesterly winds develop elsewhere, with gales or severe gales at times in the north, and with Atlantic fronts bringing unsettled conditions. Winds will then veer northwesterly on Saturday, with showers for northern waters. Cape Wrath to Rattery Head, including Orkney. Southwesterly 3 to 5, increasing 6 or 7, occasionally gale 8 in far northwest and later elsewhere. Showers, then rain, good, occasionally poor. Rattery Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed, southwest 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later. Showers at first, rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. West 3 or 4, backing south or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7 later, mainly fair, good. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, northwest 3 or 4, backing southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 at times later, fair, good. Gibraltar Point to North Forelands, northwesterly 3 to 5, backing southwesterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6 later, fair, moderate or good. North Foreland to Selsey Bill, northwesterly, backing southwesterly 2 to 4, increasing 5 or 6 later, fair, moderate or good. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis, variable 3 or less, becoming southwest 4 to 6 later, mainly fair, moderate or good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, variable 3 or less, becoming southwest 2 or 3, increasing 4 or 5 later, occasional drizzle, fog patches in west, moderate or good, occasionally very poor in west. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, variable 3 or less, becoming southwesterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6 later. Fair, then occasional drizzle with fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel, variable 3 or less, becoming south or southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Occasional drizzle later, good, occasionally poor later. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, west 3 or 4, backing southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Occasional drizzle later, good, occasionally moderate later. Isle of Man, west 3 or 4, backing southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, fair, good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, westerly 3 or 4, backing southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later in north. occasional drizzle later, good, occasionally moderate later. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, westerly 3 or 4, backing southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later in north. Occasional drizzle later, good, occasionally moderate later. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, west 3 or 4, backing southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later. Rain or drizzle later, good, occasionally poor later. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, westerly 4 or 5, backing southwesterly 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 8, gale 9 later in north. Showers, rain later, good, becoming moderate or poor later. Shetland Isles, southwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8, occasionally 6 later in north. Showers, then rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor later. And that completes the shipping bulletin. That's it from me tonight. Thanks for being with me, and you have a good night.
And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Tuesday the 1st of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North Atsira, South Atsira, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. Low west of Iceland 986, expected Norway 987 by 1800 Tuesday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Atsira. Southwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, veering northwesterly 7 to severe gale 9. Rain, then squally showers, good, occasionally poor. South Atsira. Westerly 4 to 6, veering northwesterly 7 to severe gale 9. Rain, then squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger. West or southwest 5 to 7, veering northwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Forties and Cromarty. Rain, then squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, German Bight. Northwest backing southwest 5 to 7, veering northwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Fisher. Rain, then squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Humber, Thames. West or northwest 5 to 7, rain until later, good, occasionally poor until later. Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth. West or northwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 until later. Rain at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. Biscay. Northerly 3 to 5, backing northwesterly 4 to 6, becoming variable 3 or less in southwest. Drizzle, moderate or good. Trafalgar, South Fitzroy. Easterly or northeasterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in Fitzroy, becoming variable 3 or less for a time in South Trafalgar. Fair, good. North Fitzroy, Seoul. Northwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in Seoul, becoming variable 4 or less in Fitzroy. Drizzle, moderate or good. Lundy, Fastnet. West or northwest 5 to 7, occasionally 4 later. Drizzle, moderate or good. Irish Sea, Shannon. Northwest 5 to 7, backing west 4 to 6. Rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey. West veering northwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Hebrides and Bailey, backing west 5 to 7, occasionally 4 later. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, South East Iceland. Cyclonic, mainly westerly, becoming northwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 5 to 7 later, but becoming cyclonic 4 to 6 in southeast Iceland. Rain or wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Light icing in southeast Iceland. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic. West by north, 6. Recent precipitation. 3 miles, 1017, falling slowly. Stornoway. West by north, 6. Moderate rain. 2 miles, 1009, falling more slowly. Lerwick. South by west, 4. Continuous slight rain. 2 miles, 1003, falling very rapidly. Wick automatic. South-southwest 5, moderate drizzle, 2 miles, 1006, falling very rapidly. Aberdeen, southwest by south 3, recent rain, 27 miles, 1011, falling more slowly. Lucas, southwest by west 5, more than 38 miles, 1013, falling quickly. Boomer, southwest by west 4, recent rain, 22 miles, 1017, falling more slowly. Bridlington, west-southwest 3, 1020, falling. Sandetti light vessel automatic, west-northwest 5, 11 miles, 1025. Greenwich light vessel automatic, northwest by west 5, 11 miles, 1028. St Catherine's Point automatic, west-northwest 3, 1028, falling slowly. Jersey, northwest 4, 13 miles, 1032, rising more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, west-northwest 5, 1032. Scilly automatic, northwest by west 5, 1034, now rising. Milford Haven, west by north 4, 14 miles, 1029, falling slowly. Aberporth, west by south 6, moderate rain, 8 miles, 1028, falling slowly. Valley, southwest 4, recent precipitation, 8 miles, 1025, falling. Liverpool Crosby, west by south 6, slight drizzle, 2 miles, 1023, falling. Valentia, west by north 4, 9 miles, 1034, falling slowly. Ronaldsway, west-southwest 5, recent drizzle, 7 miles, 1021, falling quickly. Malin Head, west 7, slight rain, 1 mile, 1021, now rising. Machrihanish automatic, west by north 6, 1 mile, 1019, now rising. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Monday the 31st of January. The general situation. A strong westerly or northwesterly airflow will affect the British Isles through Tuesday, with gales in northern waters. Winds will then ease for a time on Wednesday before strengthening again in the north as an Atlantic low approaches Faroes. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Southwest 6 to gale 8, veering northwest 7 to severe gale 9, backing west 5 or 6. Rain then showers, good occasionally moderate. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Southwest veering northwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 near Rattray Head, backing west 5 or 6. Occasional rain then showers, good occasionally moderate at first. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. Southwest 4 to 6, veering northwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 5 or 6 later. Occasional rain at first, good occasionally moderate at first. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Southwest 4 or 5, veering northwest 5 to 7. Occasional rain at first, good occasionally moderate at first. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly or southwesterly, veering northwesterly 4 to 6. Occasional rain at first, good occasionally moderate at first. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly 4 to 6. Occasional rain at first, good occasionally moderate at first. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. West 4 to 6, mainly fair, good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West or northwest 4 to 6, mainly fair, good. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West 5 to 7, veering northwest 4 to 6, mainly fair, good. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West or southwest 5 or 6, occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally moderate. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West or southwest 4 to 6, veering northwest 5 to 7 for a time. Occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. West or southwest 4 to 6, veering northwest 5 to 7 for a time. Occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. West veering northwest 5 to 7, backing west 4 to 6. Occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Westerly veering northwesterly 5 to 7, backing westerly 3 or 4. Occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. West or northwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. West or northwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Rain or drizzle, showers for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And the Shetland Isles. Southwest 5 to 7, veering northwest 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 6 or 7 later. Rain, then showers, wintry later. Good, occasionally poor at first and later. And that completes the shipping bulletin, and it brings us to the end of our day's broadcasting here on Radio 4. But for now, from me, Danielle Yałowiecka, and all of us here at Broadcasting House, have a peaceful night. Good night.
Now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Friday the 4th of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North Utsira, Forties, Cromarty, German Bight, Humber, Thames, Dover, Wight, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800, low 100 miles northeast of Faroes, 957 expected 300 miles northeast of Faroes, 954 by 1800 Friday. The area forecast for the next 24 hours, Viking North Utsira. Westerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in North Viking. Rain, then squally snow showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. South Utsira, southwesterly, veering westerly 5 to 7. Rain, then squally snow showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Forties Cromarty. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher. Southwest, veering west 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Rain, then wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. German Bight, Humber, Thames. Southwest, veering west or northwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first. Occasional rain or drizzle, wintry showers later, good, occasionally poor. Dover, Wight, southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, then veering northwest 4 to 6. Occasional rain or drizzle, showers later, good, occasionally poor. Portland, Plymouth, southwest veering northwest 5 or 6, occasionally 7 at first. Occasional rain or drizzle, showers later, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, westerly, veering northerly, 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first. Occasional rain or drizzle, showers later, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, variable 2 to 4, becoming east 3 to 5, showers, good. South Fitzroy, westerly 3 to 5, veering northeasterly 4 to 6 later. Occasional rain, good, occasionally moderate. North Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet. Southwesterly 5 to 7, veering northwesterly 4 to 6. Occasional rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea, Shannon, northwest 5 to 7, rain, then squally showers. Occasionally wintry in Irish Sea, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey. West or northwest 6 to gale 8, squally wintry showers, rain later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, west or northwest, 7 to severe gale 9, squally snow showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Faroes, southeast Iceland, westerly or northwesterly, 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 at first, squally snow showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300, Tyree automatic, west northwest 6, 15 miles, 1000, rising slowly. Stornoway, west by south 5, 19 miles, 994, rising slowly. Lerwick, west by south 5, recent showers, 22 miles, 985, rising more slowly. Wick automatic, west-southwest 5, 14 miles, 992, rising slowly. Aberdeen, west-southwest 3, 24 miles, 996, rising more slowly. Lucas, west 5, 19 miles, 997, rising more slowly. Boomer, west by north 3, 27 miles, 1000, rising. Bridlington, southwest 3, 1002, falling more slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, southwest 5, 11 miles, 1012. Greenwich light vessel automatic, southwest 6, 5 miles, 1014. St Catherine's Point automatic, west by south 5, 1013, falling slowly. Jersey, southwest by west 4, mist 3 miles, 1016, falling slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, southwest 5, 1014. Scilly automatic, southwest 5, 1013, falling slowly. Milford Haven, southwest 4, 7 miles, 1008, falling slowly. Aberporth, southwest 6, 11 miles, 1007, falling slowly. Valley, northwest by north 4, slight rain, 3 miles, 1005, rising slowly. Liverpool Crosby, southwest 5, slight rain, 1 mile, 1003, falling more slowly. Valentia, north 2, slight rain, 8 miles, 1010, rising slowly. Ronaldsway, northwest by west 4, continuous moderate rain, 4 miles, 1004, rising more slowly. Malin Head, west by north 7, recent drizzle, 11 miles, 1004, rising slowly. Machrihanish automatic, northwest by west 6, 11 miles, 1002, rising slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Thursday, the 3rd of February. The general situation: a deep area of low pressure currently lies east of Iceland, with its associated cold front moving southeastwards across the United Kingdom this morning. Gales or severe gales will continue to affect northern coastlines, with a brief spell of gales possible through the English Channel towards midday. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in north, squally snow showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed, westerly 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later in north, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby, southwest veering west 5 to 7, rain then wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, southwest veering west or northwest 5 or 6, occasionally 7 later, rain then showers, good, occasionally poor at first. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, southwesterly veering westerly or northwesterly 5 or 6, increasing 7 for a time, rain at times, showers later, good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selseybill. Southwesterly 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, then veering westerly or northwesterly 4 to 6, occasional rain or drizzle, showers later, good, occasionally poor. Selseybill to Lyme Regis, southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7, then veering west or northwest 4 to 6, occasional rain or drizzle, showers later, good, occasionally moderate. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. Southwest 5 to 7, veering west or northwest 4 to 6, rain then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Southwest 6 to gale 8, veering northwest 5 or 6, decreasing 4 at times later, rain then showers, moderate or good. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Southwest, veering west or northwest 5 or 6, occasionally 7 at first. Rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Northwest 5 or 6, backing west 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Rain, then squally wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man, northwest 4 to 6, backing west 5 to 7, squally wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, west or northwest 5 to 7, squally wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, westerly or northwesterly 5 to 7, squally wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, west or northwest 6 to gale 8, squally wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, west or northwest 6 to gale 8, squally snow showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. And finally, Shetland Isles, west 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first, squally snow showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Well, that's the end of the Shipping Bulletin, bringing us to the end of our broadcasting day here on BBC Radio 4. So all that remains is for me, Ray Devlin, on behalf of all of us here at Broadcasting House in London, to wish you a very safe and peaceful night. Good night.
Good morning. And now the shipping forecast, issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Saturday the 5th of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North at Cirra, South at Cirra, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800, new low expected South East Iceland by 969 by 1800 Saturday. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Cirra, south at Cirra. Westerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in Viking. Squally wintry showers but rain for a time, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger. West backing southwest for a time, 6 to gale 8, wintry showers, rain for a time, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, west 6 to gale 8, showers, rain at times, good, occasionally moderate. German Bight, Humber, west backing southwest later, 6 to gale 8. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally moderate. Thames, west backing southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later. Occasional rain later, good. Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth. Northwest 4 or 5, backing southwest 6 or 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally moderate. Biscay, northwesterly, backing westerly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first in north. Showers at first, good. Trafalgar, east or northeast 4 to 6, showers at first, good. South Fitzroy, northeasterly 4 to 6. Showers until later, good. North Fitzroy, Seoul, northwesterly 4 or 5, backing southwesterly 5 to 7. Perhaps gale 8 later in Seoul. Showers at first, good. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. West 5 or 6, backing southwest 6 to gale 8. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally moderate. Shannon, west or southwest 6 to gale 8. Showers, then rain, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, west or southwest 5 or 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9. Rain, then squally wintry showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Fair Isle, west or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally 9 later, perhaps storm 10 later. Squally wintry showers, rain for a time, moderate, occasionally poor. Faroes, south-southeast Iceland, northwesterly 5 to 7, becoming cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later. Rain, then squally wintry showers, moderate, occasionally poor. North-southeast Iceland, northwesterly 4 or 5, veering northeasterly 6 to gale 8 for a time. Rain, then wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300 on the 4th of February. Tyree Automatic, west by north 5, 16 miles, 1009, rising more slowly. Stornoway, west 5, heavy rain, 1.5 miles, 1004, rising more slowly. Lerwick, west-northwest 5, recent hail, 15 miles, 993, rising more slowly. Wick Automatic, west 4, recent precipitation, 9 miles, 1000, rising more slowly. Aberdeen, west-southwest 3, 24 miles, 1004, rising. Lucas, west-southwest 3, 19 miles, 1007, rising more slowly. Boomer, west 5, 19 miles, 1008, rising. Bridlington, west-southwest 4, 1011, rising more slowly. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic, west by north 5, 11 miles, 1018. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic, west by north 6, 11 miles, 1020. St Catherine's Point Automatic, west by north 5, 1020, rising. Jersey, west 4, 11 miles, 1023, rising. Channel Light Vessel Automatic, west-northwest 5, 1022. Scilly Automatic, northwest by west 4, 1024, rising more slowly. Milford Haven, northwest by west 4, 24 miles, 1021, rising more slowly. Aberporth, west-northwest 5, 19 miles, 1020, rising. Valley, west by north 5, 13 miles, 1018, rising. Liverpool Crosby, west-northwest 7, 6 miles, 1016, rising. Valencia, west by north 3, recent rain, 15 miles, 1023, rising slowly. Ronaldsway, west 4, 22 miles, 1015, rising. Malin Head, west by south 6, 12 miles, 1012, rising more slowly. Machrihanish Automatic, west-northwest 6, 11 miles, 1011, rising more slowly. And here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Friday, the 4th of February. The general situation. A showery ridge will give way to the next system moving in off the Atlantic, with its cold front stalling across southwest Britain on Sunday. Meanwhile, to the north of this, a strong showery west to northwesterly airflow will resume. Cape Wrath to Rattery Head, including Orkney. Southwesterly, veering westerly, 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in north. Rain, then squally, wintry showers. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rattery Head to Berwick upon Tweed. West backing southwest for a time, 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 at times. Wintry showers, occasional rain for a time, good, occasionally poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. West backing southwest for a time, later, 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time. Occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Westerly backing southwesterly for a time, 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time in north. Occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly backing southwesterly later, 5 or 6, increasing 7 at times. Occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly 4 to 6, veering southwesterly 6 or 7 later, perhaps gale 8 later. Mainly fair, rain at times later, good, occasionally moderate later. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. West 4 to 6, backing southwest 5 to 7 later, perhaps gale 8 later, rain at times later, good, occasionally moderate later. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. Northwest backing west 4 or 5, backing southwest 6 or 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Northwest 4 to 6, backing southwest 5 to 7, occasional gale 8 later. Showers at first, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West 4 to 6, backing southwest 6 to gale 8. Showers at first, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West backing southwest for a time, 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time. Showers, then occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. West backing southwest for a time, 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time. Rain at times, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. West backing southwest for a time, 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time. Rain at times, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Westerly backing southwesterly for a time, 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 for a time. Rain at times, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. West backing southwest for a time, 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first. Rain, then squally wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. West or southwest, 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 for a time. Occasional rain and then squally wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, west 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5, backing southwest, then veering west 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Squally wintry showers for a time, good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. My name's Michaela Saunders. Thank you for being with me to the very end. You have a great night, and bye-bye for now.
Now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Saturday the 12th of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800, Atlantic low expected Faroes 982 by 1800 Saturday. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher. Southerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. German Bight, Humber, south or southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate. Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, south or southwest 3 to 5, increasing 5 to 7, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Biscay, southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6 in northwest, elsewhere easterly and southeasterly 3 to 5, becoming variable 4 or less, fair, good. Trafalgar, easterly 4 or 5 in far southeast, otherwise variable 2 to 4, becoming southwesterly 4 or 5 later in northwest, mainly fair, good. Southeast Fitzroy, easterly or northeasterly 4 or 5, becoming variable 2 to 4, then southwesterly 4 to 6 later. Occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Northwest Fitzroy, Seoul, southerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in Seoul, decreasing 3 or 4 for a time in west. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. South or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 for a time in Irish Sea, decreasing 4 to 6 later, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, south or southwest 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic 4 to 6 later, rain then showers, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, south or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first except in Rockall, squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Bailey, cyclonic 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in north, squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, south or southwest 6 to gale 8, rain then squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Faroes, cyclonic 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in north, rain or squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, easterly or northeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, snow, moderate to very poor, light icing later in northwest. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic. South, southwest 7, moderate rain, 1 mile, 1007, falling more slowly. Stornoway, south by west 7, moderate rain, 1 mile, 1003, falling more slowly. Lerwick, south, southwest 5, 16 miles, 1011, falling. Wick automatic, south, southeast 6, slight rain, 5 miles, 1009, falling quickly. Aberdeen, south 5, 14 miles, 1014, falling quickly. Lucas, southwest by south 4, slight rain, 8 miles, 1016, falling quickly. Boomer, south by east 4, 15 miles, 1020, falling. Bridlington, southwest by south 4, 1025, falling. Sandetti light vessel automatic, south by west 3, 11 miles, 1032. Greenwich light vessel automatic, west southwest 4, 11 miles, 1031. St Catherine's Point automatic, south southwest 3, 1030, falling. Jersey, southeast 3, 19 miles, 1031, falling slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, south southwest 4, 1030. Scilly automatic, south by west 7, 13 miles, 1027, falling. Milford Haven, south southwest 6, 22 miles, 1025, falling. Aberporth, south by west 5, slight rain, 19 miles, 1025, falling. Valley, south southwest 7, 6 miles, 1022, falling. Liverpool-Crosby, south-southeast 4, 12 miles, 1024, falling. Valencia, south-southwest 6, slight rain, 2 miles, 1015, falling. Ronaldsway, south-southwest 7, recent rain, 8 miles, 1020, falling. Malin south 6, 12 miles, 1008, falling. Machrihanish automatic, south by west 7, 24 miles, 1012, falling more slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Friday the 11th of February. The general situation, an Atlantic low, approaches the northwest of the United Kingdom over the next 24 hours, bringing a strong southerly or southwesterly flow across the inshore waters. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, rain or showers, squally in north, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed, south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, occasional rain, good, occasionally moderate. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby, south or southwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5 later, occasional rain, good, occasionally moderate. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 for a time later, mainly fair, then occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, southerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally 4 at first, fair, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. North Foreland to Selseybill, southerly or southwesterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6, fair, occasional rain later, good. Selseybill to Lyme Regis, south or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 5 or 6, occasionally 4 in Solent, fair, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, south or southwest 5 to 7, rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, southerly 3 or 4 at first in east, otherwise southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8 for a time in west, fair, then occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel, southerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 for a time in west, decreasing 4 to 6 later, occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, south or southwest 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6 later, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man, south or southwest 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6 later, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, southerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in southeast, decreasing 4 to 6 later, rain then showers, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, southerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 5 or 6 later, rain then showers, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, squally showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, squally showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And finally, Shetland Isles, south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, rain then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Well, that's the end of the shipping bulletin, bringing us to the end of our broadcasting day here on BBC Radio 4. So all that remains is for me, Mairead Devlin, on behalf of all of us here at Broadcasting House in London, to wish you a very safe and peaceful night. Good night.
And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Saturday the 19th of February. There are warnings of gales in Forties, Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames, Dover, Wight, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, Trafalgar, Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. Low Fisher 967, expected Western Russia 977 by 1800 Saturday. New low expected Humber 999 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Syrah, south at Syrah. Northwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first in south at Syrah. Sleet and snow showers, good, occasionally very poor. Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger. West or northwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 except in Cromarty, then decreasing 3 or 4, backing south or southwest 4 to 6 later. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Fisher. West or northwest 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 5 to 7. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. German Bight, Humber. West or northwest gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 5 to 7, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5 later. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Thames, Dover, Wight, Portland, Plymouth, North Biscay. Westerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 except in North Biscay. Squally showers, then rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. South Biscay. Northwesterly backing westerly 4 to 6, showers, good. Trafalgar. North 6 to gale 8, showers, good. South Fitzroy. Cyclonic 4 to 6, showers, moderate or good. North Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. Westerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Lundy and Fastnet. Showers, then rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 in Rockall, then perhaps severe gale 9 later. Showers, then rain, moderate or poor. Malin. West 7 to severe gale 9, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5, then southwest 6 to gale 8 later. Squally wintry showers, then rain later, moderate or poor. Hebrides, Bailey, Ferrol, Faroes. Cyclonic 4 to 6, becoming southeast 5 to 7 later, perhaps gale 8 later. Sleet and snow showers, good, occasionally very poor. Southeast Iceland. Northeasterly 4 to 6, veering easterly 7 to severe gale 9 later. Snow showers, good, occasionally very poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic. West 7, recent precipitation. 9 miles, 994, now falling. Stornoway. Southwest 3, recent precipitation. More than 38 miles, 990, rising slowly. Lerwick. North 2, showers of rain and snow. 5 miles, 984, rising slowly. Wick Automatic. West-southwest 3, 16 miles, 988, rising more slowly. Lucas. West by south 3, 38 miles, 993, rising more slowly. Boomer. West 4, recent rain, 19 miles, 995, rising more slowly. Bridlington. West 4, 997, rising more slowly. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic. West 8, 11 miles, 1006. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic. West by north 8, 5 miles, 1011. St Catherine's Point Automatic. west 6, 1011, rising quickly. Jersey, northwest by west 5, 7 miles, 1016, rising. Channel Light Vessel Automatic, west by north 6, 1015. Scilly Automatic, northwest 4, recent rain 9 miles, 1017, rising more slowly. Milford Haven, west by north 5, 19 miles, 1011, rising more slowly. Aberporth, west by south 7, 11 miles, 1009, rising more slowly. Valley, west 7, 13 miles, 1005, rising more slowly. Liverpool Crosby, west 7, recent precipitation 3 miles, 1003, rising more slowly. Valentia, southwest by west 4, slight showers 12 miles, 1012, steady. Ronaldsway, west by north 6, 16 miles, 1002, rising more slowly. Malin Head, west by north 7, slight rain 8 miles, 999, rising more slowly. Machrihanish Automatic, west by north 6, 14 miles, 998, rising more slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Friday the 18th of February. The general situation: the low associated with Storm Eunice has now moved away eastwards. This puts the majority of the inshore waters into a strong westerly flow, which will gradually weaken for all but the far south during Friday night and Saturday. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Westerly at first in south, otherwise northerly or northwesterly 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4, then southerly 5 or 6 later. Sleet or snow showers becoming fair later, moderate or good, occasionally very poor until later. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Westerly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in south, decreasing 2 to 4, backing southerly 4 to 6 later. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. West 6 to gale 8, decreasing 3 to 5, then backing south or southwest later. Showers perhaps wintry, good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. West 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4 later, then southwest 4 or 5 later. Showers, then rain or sleet for a time, moderate or good, becoming poor or very poor for a time. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly 7 to severe gale 9, backing southwesterly 4 to 6, then increasing 7 or gale 8 again for a time later except in far north. Showers, then rain for a time, good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 at first, then backing southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, veering westerly 5 to 7 later. Showers, then rain for a time, moderate or good, becoming poor for a time. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. West 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 at first, backing southwest 7 to severe gale 9, veering west 5 to 7 later. Showers, then rain for a time, moderate or good, becoming poor for a time. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West 5 to 7, backing southwest 7 to severe gale 9 for a time. Squally showers, then rain for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West 5 to 7, backing southwest 7 to severe gale 9 for a time at first. Squally showers, then rain for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 5 at times. Showers, then rain for a time, good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West 6 to gale 8, backing southeast 4 or 5, veering west or southwest 5 to 7 later. Squally, wintry showers, then rain or sleet for a time. Moderate or good, becoming poor for a time. Isle of Man. West 6 to gale 8, backing southeast 4 or 5, veering west or southwest 5 to 7 later. Squally, wintry showers, then rain later. Good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. West 6 to gale 8, backing south 3 to 5, veering southwest 5 to 7 later. Squally, wintry showers, then rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Westerly 6 to gale 8, backing southerly 3 to 5, veering southwesterly 5 or 6 later. Squally, wintry showers, then rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. West or northwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 3 to 5, then backing south, then veering southwest 5 to 7 later. Squally, wintry showers, then rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Northwesterly, mainly 4 to 6, but 7 or gale 8 at first in far south, becoming variable 2 to 4, then southerly 5 to 7 later. Squally, wintry showers, then rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor. And the Shetland Isles. North backing northwest 4 to 6, backing south or southwest 3 to 5 later. Sleet and snow showers becoming fair later. Good, occasionally very poor until later. And that completes the shipping bulletin, and as ever it brings us to the end of our broadcasting day here on Radio 4. And on behalf of all of us at Broadcasting House in London, this is Danielle Jałowiecka wishing you a happy and safe night. Good night.
Good morning. And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Tuesday the 22nd of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, north at Cirra, south at Cirra, Forties, Cromarty, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fairall, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800, Atlantic low expected 250 miles west of Bailey by 1800 Tuesday. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Cirra, south at Cirra, northerly or northwesterly 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4. Then southerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9, except in south at Cirra, veering westerly later. Rain or showers, squally later, good, occasionally poor. Forties, Cromarty, northwesterly, 5 or 6 at first in east Forties, otherwise variable 2 to 4, becoming southerly 6 to gale 8, then veering westerly. Rain or showers, becoming squally, good, occasionally poor. Forth, Tyne, west Dogger, variable 2 to 4, becoming southwesterly 5 to 7, then veering westerly. Showers, good, occasionally poor. East Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, East Humber, northwest 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4, then west or southwest 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. West Humber, Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth. West or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later, showers, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, westerly 4 to 6 in north, otherwise variable 2 to 4. Showers, good. Trafalgar, South Fitzroy, north or northeast 4 to 6. Fair, good. North Fitzroy, Seoul, westerly or southwesterly, veering northwesterly for a time 4 to 6. Showers, good. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, west or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 for a time. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, south at first in Malin and Hebrides, otherwise west or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 except in Shannon. Squally showers becoming wintry, later, good, occasionally poor. Bailey, west or southwest, gale 8 to storm 10, wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Fairall, southeast, veering west or southwest, 7 to severe gale 9, rain, then squally wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Faroes, southeast Iceland, cyclonic severe gale 9 to violent storm 11, becoming westerly or southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9. Squally snow showers, moderate, occasionally very poor. And now the weather reports for coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic, south by west 6, recent drizzle, 2 miles, 1007, falling quickly. Stornoway, south 6, recent rain, 5 miles, 1003, falling quickly. Lerwick, south by west 1, 15 miles, 1008, falling slowly. Wick automatic, south-southeast 4, 7 miles, 1008, falling. Aberdeen, south by west 2, 12 miles, 1011, falling slowly. Lucas, west 2, 16 miles, 1012, falling. Boomer, west-southwest 3, 16 miles, 1014, falling slowly. Bridlington, west by north 2, 1016, rising more slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, northwest by north 4, 5 miles, 1021. Greenwich light vessel automatic, west by north 6, 5 miles, 1023. St Catherine's Point automatic, west by north 4, 1023, rising more slowly. Jersey, west by north 4, Hayes, 3 miles, 1026, rising more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, west-southwest 4, 1025. Scilly automatic, west-southwest 4, recent precipitation, 2 miles, 1025, falling slowly. Milford Haven, southwest 3, 2 miles, 1021, falling slowly. Aberporth, southwest by south 4, moderate drizzle, 1 mile, 1020, falling slowly. Valley, south-southwest 4, recent drizzle, 5 miles, 1018, falling slowly. Liverpool Crosby, southwest by south 3, mist, 3 miles, 1018, falling slowly. Valencia, southwest 4, 5 miles, 1019, falling slowly. Ronalds Way, southwest 4, recent rain, 7 miles, 1016, falling slowly. Malin Head, south by west 5, recent drizzle, 9 miles, 1009, falling quickly. Machrihanish automatic, south 4, 6 miles, 1012, falling. And here is the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Monday, the 21st of February. The general situation: a transient ridge currently lies over the east of the country, giving settled conditions for eastern areas at first. However, fronts push eastwards from the west, bringing further unsettled and windy conditions, with gales developing across most of northern and western coastlines. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. South 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, then veering west, backing southwest later. Rain developing, then squally wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed, south or southwest 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7, then veering west or southwest. Occasional rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby, southwest 3 or 4, backing south 5 to 7, then veering west. Occasional rain, showers later, good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, west or southwest 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6. Occasional rain, showers later, good, occasionally moderate. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, westerly 3 or 4, backing southwesterly 5 or 6, veering westerly or northwesterly 4 to 6 later. Showers, occasional rain later, becoming mainly fair later, good, occasionally poor later. North Foreland to Selsey Bill, westerly or southwesterly 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7, veering westerly or northwesterly 4 or 5 later. Showers, occasional rain later, becoming mainly fair later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis, west or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7, veering west or northwest 3 to 5 later. Showers, occasional rain later, becoming mainly fair later. Good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, west or southwest 4 or 5, then increasing 5 to 7, veering northwest 5 or 6 later, then backing west 3 or 4 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, becoming mainly fair, good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, then veering west 5 or 6, decreasing 3 or 4 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, then showers, good, occasionally poor at first. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, then veering west 4 to 6. Occasional rain or drizzle, then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, then veering west 5 or 6, backing southwest later. Occasional rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man, southwest 5 or 6, increasing 7 or gale 8, then veering west 5 or 6, then backing southwest later. Occasional rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, west or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 for a time. Occasional rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southerly 5 or 6, veering westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 for a time in North Channel. Occasional rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. South or southwest 5 to 7, veering west or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Occasional rain, then squally showers later, good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, south veering west or southwest 7 to severe gale 9, rain, then squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, southeast 3 or 4, then increasing 7 to severe gale 9, veering west 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 5 to 7 later. Fair, then rain, then squally showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin, and that's all from Radio 4 as well. My name's Michaela Saunders, and you have a very good night.
And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Friday the 25th of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North at Sierra, South at Sierra, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames, Trafalgar, Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800, Atlantic high 1034, expected France 1032 by 1800 Friday. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. West Viking, northwesterly 6 to gale 8, backing southwesterly 3 or 4, then southerly 6 to gale 8. Squally, wintry showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. East Viking, north at Sierra, south at Sierra, westerly 4 to 6, veering northerly or northwesterly 6 to gale 8, backing southerly 4 to 6, but becoming variable 2 to 4 in south at Sierra. Squally wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger. West, veering northwest 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 4 to 6, squally showers, good, occasionally moderate. Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames. West or northwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4 in Humber and Thames. Squally showers, good, occasionally moderate. Dover, Wight, Portland, Plymouth, North Biscay. Northwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 except in Biscay, becoming variable 4 or less, then southeasterly 4 or 5 in Plymouth and Biscay. Showers, good. South Biscay, northerly 3 or 4, veering westerly 5 to 7, showers good. Trafalgar, northeasterly 4 to 6, but 7 or gale 8 at first in north and later in southeast. Thunderstorms, good, occasionally poor. South Fitzroy, northeasterly 6 to gale 8, showers good. North Fitzroy, Seoul, northwesterly 4 to 6, backing westerly 3 to 4, then southerly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in Seoul, showers good. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, northwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 except in Fastnet, backing southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in Fastnet, showers good. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes, northwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in Malin and Hebrides, backing south 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 except in Malin and Hebrides. Squally showers, wintry in Fair Isle and Faroes, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly 4 to 6, veering southeasterly gale 8 to storm 10, then southerly 6 to gale 8 later. Snow showers, then rain, moderate, occasionally very poor at first. And now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic, northwest 5, recent precipitation 22 miles, 1006, rising more slowly. Stornoway, northwest by west 6, recent precipitation 24 miles, 1001, rising quickly. Lerwick, northwest by north 4, 16 miles, 993, rising quickly. Wick automatic, west by north 5, recent precipitation 12 miles, 997, rising quickly. Aberdeen, west 5, slight showers 27 miles, 999, rising quickly. Lucas, west by north 4, 24 miles, 1002, rising quickly. Boomer, west by south 4, 19 miles, 1003, rising. Bridlington, southwest 4, 1007, rising slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, west by south 7, 5 miles, 1017. Greenwich light vessel automatic, west 7, 11 miles, 1020. St Catherine's Point automatic, west 6, 1020, rising slowly. Jersey, west-northwest 5, recent rain, 9 miles, 1024, rising more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, west by north 6, 1022. Scilly automatic, west-northwest 5, recent rain, 9 miles, 1024, rising more slowly. Milford Haven, west-northwest 4, 16 miles, 1019, rising. Aberporth, west 7, 13 miles, 1018, rising. Valley, west by north 7, 11 miles, 1015, rising. Liverpool Crosby, west-northwest 8, recent precipitation 5 miles, 1011, rising slowly. Valentia, west by north 4, 6 miles, 1023, rising. Ronaldsway, west by north 5, 22 miles, 1011, rising quickly. Malin Head, west-northwest 6, 7 miles, 1010, rising quickly. Machrihanish automatic, northwest by west 5, 7 miles, 1008, rising. And here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300. The general situation: a strong showery northwesterly flow will affect the coastal waters on Friday before a ridge builds briefly in the afternoon and winds easing. A strengthening southerly flow is expected later on Friday and on Saturday, with gales in north and west. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Northwest 6 to gale 8, becoming variable 2 to 4, then south 5 to 7 later. Squally showers at first, occasional rain later, good, occasionally moderate. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed, west or northwest 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6 later. Squally showers at first, occasional rain later. Good, occasionally moderate. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. West veering northwest 6 or 7, backing southwest 3 or 4, increasing 5 later. Showers at first, good. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, southwest 5 to 7, veering northwest 5 or 6, backing southwest 2 or 3, increasing 4 later. Showers at first, good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, southwesterly 6 to gale 8, veering northwesterly 3 to 5, becoming variable 3 or less, then southwesterly 3 or 4 later. Showers at first, good. North Foreland to Selsey Bill, westerly 5 to 7, veering northwesterly 4 or 5, backing southwesterly 2 or 3. Showers at first, good. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis, west 5 to 7, decreasing 2 to 4, backing southwest later. Showers at first, good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, west or northwest 4 to 6, backing southwest 2 to 4, then south 3 to 5 later. Showers at first, good. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Northwest 6 to gale 8, backing west 3 or 4, then southwest 4 to 6 later. Showers at first, good. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5, backing southwest 4 to 6 later. Showers at first, good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, northwest 6 to gale 8, backing west 3 to 5, then southwest 4 to 6 later. Showers at first, good. Isle of Man, northwest 6 to gale 8, backing west 4 or 5, then southwest 5 or 6 later. Showers at first, good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, northwest 5 or 7, 6 or 7, backing west 4 or 5, then south 5 or 6 later. Squally showers, then rain for a time. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Northwesterly 6 or 7, backing westerly 3 to 5, then southerly 5 or 6 later. Squally showers, then rain for a time. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Northwest 6 to gale 8, backing west 3 to 5, then south 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers, then rain for a time. Good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, northwest 6 to gale 8, becoming variable 4 or less, then south 7 or gale 8 later. Squally showers, then rain for a time. Good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, north 6 or 7, backing northwest 3 to 5, then southwest 2 to 4, backing south 7 or gale 8 later. Squally wintry showers, rain later. Good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin for this morning. It's time for me to clear away the tumblers here in the studio and from all of us here at Broadcasting House in London. This is Tina Ritchie, wishing you, if you can, a calm and content night. Good night.
And now the shipping forecast, issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Saturday the 9th of November. There are warnings of gales in Humber, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. Low Humber, 1002, expected German bite with little change by 1800 Saturday. New lows expected Northern Ireland 1001 and Southern England 999 by same time. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger. Easterly or northeasterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in southeast, Forties and East Dogger, decreasing 3 at times elsewhere. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames. Cyclonic 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in Humber, then decreasing 4 at times. Rain or thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Dover, white. Northwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 2, then cyclonic 5 to 7 later. Showers, then rain later. Good, occasionally poor later. Portland, Plymouth, North Biscay. Northwesterly backing southwesterly for a time, 2 to 4, increasing 6 to gale 8. Fair, then rain, then showers. Good, occasionally poor. South Biscay. Northwesterly 6 to gale 8, backing southwesterly 4 or 5 for a time. Rain or showers. Good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar. Westerly at first in north, otherwise northerly 4 to 6, occasionally 3 at first. Rain for a time. Good, occasionally moderate. Fitzroy, Seoul. Cyclonic 4 to 6, becoming northwest 6 to gale 8. Rain, then showers. Good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet. Variable 2 to 4 at first in Lundy, otherwise south 4 to 6, veering northwest 6 to gale 8. Fair, then rain, then showers. Good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea. South 2 to 4, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8, then northeast 5 or 6 later. Fair, then rain. Good, occasionally poor. Shannon. West veering northwest 6 to gale 8. Showers. Good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin. Cyclonic 6 to gale 8, decreasing 3 to 5 later. Rain or showers. Good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey. Cyclonic mainly southeast 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5 later. Rain or showers. Good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle. East or southeast 3 to 5, backing northeast 4 to 6. Wintry showers. Good, occasionally moderate. Faroes, southeast Iceland. Southeasterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in western southeast Iceland, backing easterly 4 in East Faroes. Rain or wintry showers, moderate or good. Now for the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic, southeast by south 6, 13 miles, 1008, falling. Stornoway, southeast by south 5, more than 38 miles, 1009, falling. Lerwick, south 1, more than 38 miles, 1014, falling slowly. Wick Automatic, west-northwest 1, 24 miles, 1012, falling slowly. Aberdeen, northwest by north 1, 11 miles, 1013, falling slowly. Lucas, northwest 1, 13 miles, 1012, falling slowly. Boomer, west 1, 16 miles, 1012, falling slowly. Bridlington, north-northeast 3, 1010, rising slowly. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic, northwest 5, more than 27 miles, 1011, rising more slowly. St Catherine's Point Automatic, northwest 3, 1012, rising more slowly. Jersey, north by west 2, 22 miles, 1013, now falling. Scilly Automatic, southwest 3, 27 miles, 1013, falling slowly. Milford Haven, east by south 2, 11 miles, 1013, falling more slowly. Aberporth, south by east 3, 27 miles, 1013, falling more slowly. Valley, east-southeast 1, 11 miles, 1012, now rising. Liverpool Crosby, east-southeast 2, 13 miles, 1012, falling slowly. Valencia, south 3, slight showers, 2 miles, 1007, falling. Ronaldsway, north 2, 22 miles, 1012, now rising. Malin Head, southeast 4, 22 miles, 1008, falling. Machrihanish Automatic, southeast by east 4, 22 miles, 1010, falling more slowly. Now for the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours. The general situation: Low pressure lying over the southern North Sea will maintain showery conditions over some eastern coastal areas of England during Friday night and Saturday morning. Atlantic fronts will spread rain across western and southern parts of the British Isles later in the night and during Saturday. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. East or southeast 3 to 5, backing east or northeast 4 to 6 later. Showers, good. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Variable 2 to 4, becoming east or southeast 3 to 5, then backing northeast 4 to 6 later. Showers, good. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. Variable 3 or less, becoming east 3 to 5, backing northeast 4 to 6 later. Showers, good. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. North 4 to 6, becoming variable 3 or less, then northeast 4 to 6 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate at first. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Northerly or northwesterly 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4, then cyclonic 3 to 5 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate at first. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Northwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first near North Foreland, becoming variable 3 or less, then cyclonic 5 to 7 later. Showers, then rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. North 3 or 4, becoming variable 2 or less, then south 5 to 7, then veering northwest 4 to 6 later. Fair, then rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. Variable 2 at first in east, otherwise southwesterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7, then veering northwesterly 6 to gale 8. Fair, then rain, then showers. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Variable 2 to 4, becoming cyclonic 5 to 7, then northwest 6 to gale 8 later. Rain, then fair, then showers. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. South or southeast 2 to 4, increasing 5 to 7, then becoming cyclonic and increasing gale 8 at times. Fair, then rain, then showers. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Variable 2 to 4, becoming southeast 5 to 7, backing northeast 4 or 5 later. Rain or showers for a time. Good, occasionally poor for a time. Isle of Man. Variable 3 or less, becoming southeast 5 to 7, backing northeast 3 to 5 later. Rain for a time. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Southeasterly 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7, then becoming cyclonic 5 to 7, decreasing 3 or 4 later in north. Rain for a time. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southeasterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 for a time in North Channel, then backing northeasterly 3 or 4 later. Rain for a time. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Southeast 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, backing east 3 or 4 later. Rain for a time. Good, becoming moderate for a time. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Southeasterly 5 to 7, occasionally 4 in north, increasing gale 8 at times in south, backing easterly 4 or 5 later. Rain for a time in south. Good, occasionally moderate in south. Shetland Isles. Easterly 3 or 4, backing northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later in east. Wintry showers then fair. Good, occasionally moderate at first. And that completes the shipping bulletin. And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Sunday the 28th of February. There are warnings of gales in Fitzroy, Bailey, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. High Irish Sea 1042. Expected German Bight 1038 by 1800 Monday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking. Southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in northwest. Mainly fair, good, occasionally poor. North at Sierra. Variable 3, becoming southwesterly 3 to 5. Fair, mainly good. South at Sierra. Northwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in southeast, mainly fair, good, occasionally poor. Forties Cromarty 4th. Variable, mainly southwest 2 to 4, fog patches in 40s, moderate or good, occasionally very poor in 40s. Tyne Dogger. Variable 3 or less, fog patches developing, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Fisher. Northwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later in east. Fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. German Bight. Variable, mainly northwest 2 to 4. Fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. Humber. Variable 3 or less. Fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. Thames. Variable 3, becoming northeast 3 to 5 later. Fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Dover. Northeast 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. White, Portland, Plymouth. East or northeast 5 to 7, occasionally 4 at first. Fair, good. Biscay, Trafalgar. East or northeast 4 to 6, becoming variable 3 at times in Trafalgar. Fair, good. Southeast Fitzroy. Northeasterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 near northwest Spain. Fair, good. Northwest Fitzroy, Sol. Easterly 4 to 6. Fair, good. Lundy, Fastnet. East or northeast 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6 later. Fog patches in Lundy. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor in Lundy. Irish Sea. Variable 3. Fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Shannon. South or southeast 4 or 5. Fair, good, occasionally poor. Rockall Malin. Southerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in northwest Rockall. Fair, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides Bailey. Southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in northwest Bailey. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Fairall. Southwest 4 to 6, showers later, good. Faroes, southeast Iceland. Southwesterly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5 at times later. Occasional rain or drizzle, moderate or poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic. South by east 3. Mist. 2 miles, 1038, falling slowly. Stornoway. Southwest by south 4. More than 38 miles, 1036, falling slowly. Lerwick. West by south 5. Mist. 3 miles, 1035, now falling. Wick Automatic. Southwest 2. 25 miles, 1037, falling slowly. Aberdeen. Calm. 22 miles, 1038, rising more slowly. Lucas. West-southwest 2. 19 miles, 1039, falling slowly. Boomer. West 2. 19 miles, 1040, rising more slowly. Bridlington. North-northwest 1. 12 miles, 1040, rising more slowly. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic. East-northeast 4. 11 miles, 1039, falling slowly. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic. East-northeast 6. 11 miles, 1038, falling more slowly. St Catherine's Point Automatic. East-northeast 4. 6 miles, 1038, falling slowly. Jersey. Northeast by east 4. 13 miles, 1036, falling more slowly. Channel Light Vessel Automatic. Northeast 5. 11 miles, 1038, falling slowly. Scilly Automatic. Northeast 4. 9 miles, 1038, falling slowly. Milford Haven. Northeast 2. 14 miles, 1040, falling more slowly. Aberporth. Northeast by north 1. Mist. 2 miles, 1040, falling slowly. Valley. East 2, 7 miles, 1040, falling slowly. Liverpool Crosby. East-southeast 1, 6 miles, 1040, falling slowly. Valencia. Southeast by east 2, 22 miles, 1039, now falling. Ronaldsway. North-northeast 1, 11 miles, 1040, falling slowly. Malin Head. South 3, 6 miles, 1038, falling slowly. Machrihanish Automatic. East-southeast 3, 7 miles, 1039, falling slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Saturday the 27th of February. The general situation. A large area of high pressure will remain slow-moving over central United Kingdom during the next couple of days, maintaining settled conditions. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head including Orkney. Southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 near Cape Wrath. Showers later, good. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Variable, mainly southwest 2 to 4. Fair, good, occasionally moderate later. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. Variable 3 or less. Fair, fog patches developing later. Good, occasionally very poor later. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Variable 3 or less. Fog patches spreading north. Fog banks for a time in south. Good at first in north, otherwise moderate or poor, occasionally very poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Variable, mainly northeasterly 2 to 4. Fog patches, fog banks for a time in northeast. Moderate or poor, occasionally very poor. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Easterly or northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, further offshore. Fog patches in east, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. East or northeast 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later, further offshore. Fair, good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. East or northeast 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7 except in Lyme Bay. Fair, good. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. East or northeast 3 or 4, occasionally 5 later. Fog patches at first in northeast. Moderate or good, occasionally poor, but very poor at first in northeast. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Variable, becoming northeast later 2 to 4. Fair, good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Variable, mainly southeast 2 to 4. Fog patches in north and east. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Isle of Man. Variable, mainly south 2 to 4, becoming east or northeast 3 or 4 later. Fair, good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Southeasterly 3 or 4 in north, elsewhere variable 3 or less. Mainly fair, good, occasionally poor later. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Variable, mainly southerly 2 to 4. Mainly fair, good, occasionally poor later. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. South or southeast 4 or 5, becoming variable 3 or less at times. Mainly fair, good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Southerly or southwesterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in north. Fair, moderate or good. And the Shetland Isles. Southwesterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in northwest. Showers later, good, occasionally moderate. And that completes the shipping bulletin. Well, that's nearly all from us here at Radio 4 for tonight. In a few moments, I'll hand you over to our colleagues at the BBC World Service who are standing by with a bulletin of the latest world news. As for us, we'll see you back bright and early at 5:20 with another shipping forecast. All that's left is for me to thank you for your company. It's been lovely to share this evening with you. And on behalf of all of us here at Broadcasting House, this is Danielle Jałowiecka, wishing you a safe and a peaceful night. Good night.
Now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Wednesday the 3rd of March. The general synopsis at 1800. Low, northeast Fitzroy, 1021. Expected southwest England, 1024 by 1800 Wednesday. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sierra, variable 3 or less, becoming northerly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later. Showers good. South at Sierra, northwesterly 2 to 4, increasing 5 to 7. Fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. 40s Cromarty, 4th Tyne, variable 2 or less, becoming northerly or northeasterly 2 to 4, increasing 5 or 6 later in northeast 40s. Fog patches, clearing, moderate to very poor, becoming good. Dogger, variable 2 or less, becoming north 2 to 4, fog banks clearing later, moderate to very poor, becoming good later. Fisher, variable 3 or less, becoming northwest 2 to 4, increasing 5 to 7 later. Fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. German Bight, variable 3 or less, becoming northwest 3 to 5 later. Fog banks, moderate to very poor. Humber, Thames, Dover, variable 3 or less, occasionally 4 later. Fog banks, showers, moderate to very poor. White, Portland, Plymouth, variable or cyclonic 2 to 4, occasionally 5 at first, then becoming west or southwest later. Showers, perhaps thundery, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, variable 3 or less, increasing 4 at times. Thundery showers at first in north, good, occasionally moderate. Trafalgar, mainly variable 2 to 4, but becoming easterly 5 to 7 in southeast and southerly 5 to 7 in northwest. Thundery showers later in west, good, occasionally poor later in west. Fitzroy, cyclonic, becoming southerly or southeasterly 3 to 5, increasing 6 or 7 in southwest. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, easterly 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4, except in West Seoul. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea, northeast 3 to 5, showers in south, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, variable 3 or less at first in Rockall and Malin, otherwise easterly or northeasterly 3 to 5, mainly fair, moderate or good. Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes, southern southeast Iceland, variable 3 or less, becoming northeasterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 except in Hebrides, showers for a time, good, occasionally moderate. Northern southeast Iceland, northeasterly 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4 later, showers then fair, good, occasionally poor at first. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic. North, northwest 1, haze 3 miles, 1030, rising more slowly. Stornoway, west, northwest 2, 11 miles, 1030, rising slowly. Wick automatic, west 1, 1031, rising slowly. Aberdeen, north-northeast 1, mist 4 miles, 1031, rising more slowly. Lucas, northeast by north 1, 8 miles, 1031, now falling. Bridlington, west-northwest 1, 1030, falling slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, northeast 3, 2 miles, 1029, now rising. Greenwich light vessel automatic, east 4, 2 miles, 1028, falling slowly. St Catherine's Point automatic, east-northeast 3, 1028, rising slowly. Jersey, southeast by south 3, 7 miles, 1027, rising more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, east-southeast 4, 2 miles, 1026, rising more slowly. Scilly automatic, east by south 5, mist, 1 mile, 1025, rising more slowly. Milford Haven, east-southeast 4, 2 miles, 1028, rising more slowly. Aberporth, southeast 3, Hayes, 4 miles, 1028, steady. Valley, north-northeast 2, Mist, 1 mile, 1028, rising slowly. Liverpool Crosby, southeast 2, Hayes, 1.5 miles, 1029, rising more slowly. Valencia, east by north 1, Mist, 2 miles, 1027, now falling. Ronaldsway, north-northeast 3, Mist, 3 miles, 1029, steady. Malin Head, northwest by north 2, Mist, 3 miles, 1030, rising slowly. Machrihanish Automatic, east 2, 2 miles, 1030, rising slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Tuesday, the 2nd of March. The general situation, pressure, will remain high over the North Sea during Wednesday, and this will bring mainly settled conditions to eastern coasts, although areas of fog will persist. Meanwhile, an area of low pressure, currently lying to the southwest of the British Isles, will spread showers northeastwards across the southern half of England and Wales. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, variable 3 or less, becoming northerly or northeasterly 4 or 5 later in north. Fog patches at first in Moray Firth, showers later, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first in Moray Firth. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed, variable 2 or less, becoming north or northeast 3 or 4. Fog patches at first, showers later in north, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby, variable 2 or less, becoming north or northeast 3 or 4 later. Fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, variable 2 or less, becoming north 3 later. Fog banks until later, moderate to very poor, becoming moderate or good later. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, variable 3 or less, becoming mainly northeasterly 2 or 3 later, occasionally 4 later. Fog banks, showers later, moderate to very poor, occasionally good later. North Foreland to Selseybill, variable 3 or less, occasionally 4 at first. Fog patches in east, showers developing, moderate or good, occasionally very poor in east. Selseybill to Lyme Regis, east or northeast, becoming variable 2 to 4, showers moderate or good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, east or northeast 3 to 5, becoming variable 3 or less, showers, perhaps thundery, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, easterly or northeasterly 3 to 5, becoming variable 3 or less, then occasionally northern 4 later. Showers, perhaps thundery, moderate or good, occasionally poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel, variable 3 or less, becoming north or northeast 3 or 4, except in Cardigan Bay. Showers for a time, perhaps thundery, moderate or good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, easterly or southeasterly, backing easterly or northeasterly 2 to 4, then occasionally 5 later in north, mainly fair, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Isle of Man, east or northeast 2 to 4, backing north or northeast 3 to 5 later, mainly fair, moderate or good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, variable 2 or less at first in north, otherwise northerly or northeasterly 2 to 4, occasionally 5 later in North Channel. Fair, good, occasionally moderate at first. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, Variable, mainly northeasterly 2 to 4, occasionally 5 later. Fair, good, occasionally moderate at first. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Variable 3 or less, occasionally 4 later. Fair, good, occasionally moderate at first. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Variable 3 or less, occasionally 4 in north, becoming northeasterly 3 to 5. Showers later in north, good. And finally, Shetland Isles, variable 3 or less, becoming north or northeast 3 or 4, then increasing 5 or 6 later. Showers later, good. And that's the end of the shipping bulletin, which brings us to the end of our broadcasting day here on BBC Radio 4. So all that remains is for me, Mairead Devlin, on behalf of all of us here at Broadcasting House in London, to wish you a very safe and peaceful night. Take care.
And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Wednesday the 21st of April. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North at Sierra, South at Sierra, Forties, Fisher and German Bight. The general synopsis at 1800, high just west of Bailey 1026, expected 4th 1027 by 1800 Wednesday. New low expected Fitzroy 1005 by same time. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North at Sierra, northwesterly 6 to gale 8, wintry showers, moderate or good. South at Sierra, northwesterly 5 or 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, wintry showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Forties, northwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in northeast, showers in northeast, good. Cromarty, 4th, north 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4, fair, good. Tyne, north 4 or 5, becoming variable 2 or 3 later, showers at first, good. Dogger, northerly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in east, fair, good. Fisher, northwest 5 or 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, showers, moderate or good. German Bight, northwest 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later, fair, moderate, becoming good. Humber, north 3 to 5, mainly fair, good, occasionally poor at first. Thames, Dover, White, Portland, northeast 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6, occasionally 7 later, fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Plymouth, northeast 3 or 4, veering east 5 to 7 later, mainly fair, moderate or good. Biscay, variable 2 to 4, becoming northeast 4 to 6 later, thundery showers near Spain, mainly good. Trafalgar, west or northwest 3 to 5, thundery showers in north, moderate or good. South Fitzroy, variable 2 to 4, becoming cyclonic 4 to 6, thundery showers, moderate or good. North Fitzroy, Seoul, easterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, showers, moderate or good. Lundy Fastnet, northeast, veering east 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, showers, moderate or good. Irish Sea, east or northeast 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, fair, good. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, northeast, veering east 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, showers, good. Hebrides Bailey, variable 2 to 4, fair, good. Fair Isle, north 5 to 7, backing northwest 4 or 5, showers, good. Faroes, southeast Iceland, northwesterly 4 to 6, showers, good. And now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic, northeast by north 5, 8 miles, 1023, rising more slowly. Stornoway, north by west 3, 16 miles, 1024, rising more slowly. Lerwick, north-northwest 4, precipitation within sight, 13 miles, 1017, rising. Wick Automatic, 1021, rising more slowly. Aberdeen, northwest 3, 13 miles, 1022, rising more slowly. Lucas, north by east 1, 13 miles, 1022, rising more slowly. Boomer, north by east 2, recent rain, 30 miles, 1021, rising more slowly. Bridlington, north by east 3, 1019, rising more slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, north-northeast 2, 1018, rising more slowly. Greenwich light vessel automatic, northwest by north 3, 1017, rising more slowly. St Catherine's Point automatic, east by south 2, 1017, rising more slowly. Jersey, east-northeast 3, 27 miles, 1017, rising more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, northeast 3, 2 miles, 1017, rising slowly. Scilly automatic, northeast 3, 14 miles, 1018, rising more slowly. Milford Haven, northeast by north 2, 12 miles, 1018, rising more slowly. Aberporth, northwest by west 1, 13 miles, 1018, rising more slowly. Valley, north 2, mist 3 miles, 1019, rising more slowly. Liverpool Crosby, north by west 2, 8 miles, 1019, rising more slowly. Valencia, southeast by south 1, 7 miles, 1019, rising slowly. Ronaldsway, north 3, 16 miles, 1019, rising more slowly. Malin Head, north-northeast 5, 12 miles, 1022, rising more slowly. Machrihanish automatic, northwest by north 1, 13 miles, 1021, rising more slowly. And now the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300. The general situation, high pressure centred to the northwest of Scotland, will build southeastwards across the whole of the British Isles by Thursday. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, northwest 5 or 6, decreasing 3 or 4, then becoming variable 2 to 4 later in Moray Firth. Fair, good. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed, northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 near Rattray Head, veering northeast 3 or 4, then becoming variable 2 or 3 later. Fair, good. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby, north 4 or 5, veering northeast 3 or 4, then becoming variable 2 or 3 later. Showers at first, good. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, north 3 or 4, veering northeast 4 or 5, then decreasing 2 or 3 later. Showers at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, variable 2 or 3, becoming northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in south. Fog patches at first in south. Moderate, becoming good, occasionally very poor at first in south. North Foreland to Selsey Bill, northeasterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6, occasionally 7 later in Strait of Dover. Fog patches at first, moderate, becoming good, occasionally very poor at first. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis, variable 2 or 3, becoming east or northeast 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, mainly fair, moderate or good, occasionally poor at first. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, variable 2 or 3, becoming east 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, showers later near shore, moderate or good. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, variable 2 to 4, becoming east or northeast 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, showers later, moderate or good. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel, northeast 3 or 4, veering east 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first near Anglesey, showers later in far southwest, good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, variable 2 or 3 at first in south, otherwise easterly or northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first in north. Fair, good. Isle of Man, east or northeast 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, mainly fair, mainly good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, Northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first in southeast. Veering southeasterly 3 or 4 later, fair, good. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Northeasterly 4 or 5, becoming variable 2 to 4 later, fair, good. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, northeast 4 or 5, veering east 3 or 4, then becoming variable 2 or 3 later, fair, good. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, north 4 or 5, becoming variable 2 to 4, fair, good. Shetland Isles, northwest 6 or 7, decreasing 4 or 5, showers, good. And that completes the shipping bulletin. And that also brings things to a close here on BBC Radio 4 for another day. But our colleagues at the World Service are standing by to take us through the night. That's until Radio 4 returns at 5:20. And so, from all of us here at Broadcasting House in London, this is Tina Ritchie, wishing you a calm and content night. Good night.